Welcome to the best penny stock show on the planet. Today is January 29th, 2024. Happy Monday. So what are the best penny stocks to buy right now? Number one pick is OneMedNet Corporation. Stock symbol ONMD. It is up 180% today, or 92 cents, trading at $1.43. Since this morning, in the first couple of hours, this thing traded already 54 million shares. Market cap for OneMedNet is $39 million. So the huge volume of 54 million shares is kind of unseen volume for the stock. And the stock actually is an IPO that went public just on November 8th of last year. So the stock is barely 2 months old in terms of being traded publicly. So but right now you're getting it at a great price, because when this thing went public, its initial price was $5. Then it collapsed all the way to 50 cents or something like that, and then today it started to recover. So if I were you, I would consider jumping in, because it looks like it has huge potential if it goes from, let's say, $1.45 to $5. So consider doing it. OneMedNet, ONMD, $1.47 a share. Next one is Palisade Bio. Stock symbol P like in Paul, ALI. It is up 111%, or 58 cents, trading at $1.10. Since this morning, it already traded 111 million shares. Market cap for Palisade is $11 million. So it's a pretty small micro cap. It used to trade at $2.40 back in August of last year, and then it collapsed all the way to 50 cents. So, and right now you're getting it, I would say, at a pretty good price. And based on this huge volume of 111 million shares, there's some major news that came out about this company. So I assume that the growth will continue. So jumping in at around $1.09 might not be such a bad idea. Especially the stock has not been traded, almost no shares in the last 6 months, and suddenly boom, 111 million. So something is happening there, and I and I think you should participate in it. Palisade Bio, stock symbol PALI, $1.09. Next one is Conexa Sports Technologies. Stock symbol is up 80% today, or 12 cents, trading only at 27 cents a share. Since this morning, it already traded 81 million shares. Market cap for Conexa Sports is less than $1 million. It's actually $747,000. So this is a true micro cap. The whole publicly traded company costs less than one house in Southern California where I live. So but 82 million shares traded today means that there's a huge interest to this company right now. And consider this, that in September of last year, it was trading at $8 a share. $8 a share. And now you could get it for 27 cents. So imagine if this thing goes from 27 cents back to this $8, that's going to be like 40 times you could make your money. And it hasn't been trading much in the last 6 months, and today something happened, and this huge volume just tells you that, you know, something is bubbling up. It has a pretty decent jump by 73%, but I have a feeling that it will continue because it has just such a huge upside potential, you know, going from 26 cents to, you know, $8, for example, you know. So consider doing it. So Connexa Sports Technologies, CNXA, stock symbol 26 cents a share right now. Next one is Fibrogen Inc., stock symbol F like in Frank, GEN. It is up 57% or 54 cents, trading at $1.48 a share. Since this morning, it already traded 8.5 million shares. Market cap for Fibrogen is $89 million. This thing used to trade 6 months ago in July of last year at $1.48. Then it collapsed to like 50 cents. And now it's trading at $1.48 on pretty significant volume. So I'm sure there's some positive news that came out about this company. And based on 8 million shares in volume, the market is really interested in the stock. So we could kind of assume that these guys will continue to go up. So if I were you, I would consider jumping in. Fibrogen Inc., FGEN, $1.47 a share. Next one is, oh, I talked about this company before already. Mercurity Fintech Holding Inc., stock symbol MF like in Frank, H. It is up 33% or 65 cents, trading at $2.57 a share. Since this morning, it traded only 100,000 shares. Market cap for Mercury is 121 million shares, $121 million. So it seems like the market is not really aware about the stock. Otherwise, it would trade 100 million shares instead of 100,000 shares. So thanks to the show, you will know about this company, and maybe you should take a risk and jump in and see where it will take you, because the jumps for the stock are pretty wild right now. So who knows if it's going to continue or not, but at least nobody knows about it much, and by the time they find out and jump on it, the stock will rock even higher. So consider doing it. Mercurity Fintech Holding, MFH, $2.55 a share. And probably my last stock for today, it's called Renova RX, stock symbol RNXT. It is up 25% or 27 cents, trading at $1.32. Since this morning, it traded only 108,000 shares. Market cap for the company is $11 million. So just like the previous company, it's kind of trading under the radar. Only 108,000 shares. But it is jumping, and it has a potential to go to 240. So right now it's $1.32. So consider jumping in. Renova RX, RNXT, $1.32 a share. If you want to find out other great stocks to buy, go to this website, STKS.APP, and download my app for the penny stocks. Thank you for your time and good luck trading. Bye bye now.